Ashanya. Welcome back to my channel ANG Creations. I am back with one bottle painting tutorial. So this is the season of spring. I am going to make some birds and beautiful flowers on this bottle. This I have already put the base color, light green color. I will share the link in my description box as how to put the base color on a bottle. So let me start. Next I'm going to use some dark blue, yellow, red and white acrylic colors. One pointed brush, 0. Brown acrylic color and pointed brush. I'm using Filbert brush and yellow acrylic color. friends, my bottle is ready. I have made flowers and birds. This is a very perfect combination for spring season. I hope you like it. If you like it, please click on the like button, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you so much to my 15.5k subscribers. Thanks for your love and support. Keep loving. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. If you are yet to subscribe, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the notification. So friends, I'll be back soon with more videos. Till then, please take care of yourself, stay at home, and bye-bye.